Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can fix heating problem in your Galaxy M05 model. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So first you have to restart your smartphone. Second, you have to go to settings, then click on apps, clear the unwanted apps that are not in use, and clear cache. You can clear your storage also, that it will affect the heating issue also. Then clear cache this all of these apps. You can also turn off the background data and click on Android system, click on storage, clear data and clear cache it. Then you have to click on apps. Here it is search, just type here Google. Here it is play services. Just you have to go to storage and clear cache this. Then you have to press back and here you have to write security. You can boost your memory from this and clear cache this unwanted files, images, videos from files by Google, and it will fix your problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.